Hi, I'm Tristan from the Tru 7 group. Today we've got a very special machine to show you. Brand new Takeuchi 9-ton duct fitted with X12 Steelwrist 3-piece boom. Let's have a look. People commonly think that having a Steelwrist attachment on a machine means it's fixed to one machine. However, these new variations of Steelwrists that Tru 7 have recently purchased mean that we can in-house actually install these on our own machines and customers' machines if they just want to hire a Steelwrist. This just means taking off your existing quick hitch, installing the Steelwrist itself, and then just tapping into the hammer and rotation lines. Again, this is all done in-house. We can come out and fit these to any machine as long as the spec's correct to fit it. One question you might ask yourself is why the need to even use a Steelwrist instead of a conventional bucket or even a conventional tilt bucket. So let's have a look and show you why. So pointing out the obvious, the Steelwrist attachment gives you massive versatility over, say, the conventional bucket or even tilt bucket. These Steelwrist attachments offer both 360-degree rotation plus 45-degree left and right tilt, improving performance and efficiency in technical applications. These attachments come into their own on a wide range of site scenarios, particularly finishing works, trimming type 1, certain types of drainage, footings, and especially in areas of tight access or maybe just restricted movements. These attachments are available for nationwide hire, either retrofitted to our own machines or your own, providing they meet the specifications required. For more information, contact Tru Plant today.